guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Marvel Heroes 3D official collection, the Winter Soldier, Captain America's sidekick, super cool Bucky Barnes. But before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and while you're at it, guys, make sure to hit that bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called Cosas. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys, so make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the end cards. And well, guys, let's get into this. Okay guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Marvel Heroes 3D Official Collection. This is none other than Bucky Barnes, the Winter Soldier, Captain America's sidekick. And guys, this is the number 21 in the collection that is launched here in Buenos Aires, Argentina, where I live. And there you have him there, you have Bucky there. And of course, guys, as always with this collection, we're also going to have a poster, which I will show you in just a bit. But well, let's open this up. Up at the top here, it says the partner of Captain America. And here it talks a bit about the character. And on this side, it shows you the facts and figures of Bucky Barnes, the Winter Soldier. It gives his name, pseudonyms, hair color, abilities, that type of thing. And down here, it shows his power levels. And now we're gonna open this up to see the inside. And over here it talks about some of the characters. Red Skull, what a cool badass character. And now it's time to check out the timeline. Let's see this little blurb here. And the timeline goes from 1964 with Stan Lee and Jack Kirby, and it goes all the way down to 2014. Now we're going to close this so we can see the other side. And it talks about the world of the Winter Soldier, so some different characters. Captain America, among others. Nick Fury, Black Widow, And well guys, now it's time to see who will be the next in the series. And guys, it is none other than Dr. Octopus, one of my favorite villains in the Marvel Universe. I'm pretty excited. We're definitely going to be getting him. And guys, in 2 weeks in the kiosk of Buenos Aires, Argentina, Dr. Octopus will come out with this giant poster that you see there behind him. I can't wait to unbox that. So guys, make sure to stay tuned because we're definitely going to be getting that one. And well guys, now it's time to unbox the giant poster. But as you guys may or may not know, the poster is way too big for this table. So we're going to have to go and mosey on away from the table now so we can see that. So let's go ahead and let's do it now. Okay guys, so now it's time to check out the poster. Boom. It looks pretty cool. It's kind of in the same position as the figure, which is pretty awesome. Tell me guys, what do you think about the poster down in the comments below? Personally, we think it's pretty cool. I kind of miss the comic book covers, but well, this is cool too, so. But please, Salvat. We need the comic book covers, guys. We need them. But well, now it's time to go and do the unboxing. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so we have the figure out of the box and now it's time for an up close look at it. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. There he is. He looks really cool. What do you think, hun?
I like it. I like the details on his weapon, on his machine gun.
Yeah, it's cool.
And utility belt and all the stuff is cool.
Yeah. And like all his muscles are like well defined like here.
Yeah.
Oh well, I'm gonna turn him. And the back. And of course you can see his arm there.
That's very cool.
And this character really reminds me to Snake.
Yeah, me too.
Like I only think of Metal Gear when I
Yeah.
see this character.
Yeah, me too.
I'm just like,
Yeah, totally.
Well, he looks really cool. And now guys, I'm just gonna show you the number on the bottom, which proves that it's an official figure from Marvel. And well guys, I'm gonna put him back down here on the table. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman's channel, which is called Cosas. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys, so be sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but also in the in cards. And well guys, have a great day. I will see you next time. Bye!